Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the Dark Awards 2018. Time to get started.
So deck those halls, trim those trees, raise up cups of Christmas cheer. I just need to catch my breath. Christmas by myself this year.
But in first place, it's Corallarium in Maldives by Mushroom Light.
Hey!
So now let's look at the 5 projects that got the most vote in Structure's high budget.
For 24 days, evergreen, sparkling snow. Get this winter over with. Flashback to springtime.
In first place is Agamar Headquarters by I can't say it.
Eleftheria Deco Lighting Design Studio.
Out to the beach to his boat, could I join him? No, this time it was...
Next to reveal the winners for the Places category.
So the top 5 for Places low budget are...
Set my mind not to do too much about it.
But in first place, it's Ambience Office.
Yay!
Okay, let's look at Places high budget.
So in first place, pause for dramatic tension, Hints Hall at the Natural History Museum by DHA Designs.
So we're going to find out now who the winners are for the Spaces category. But in first place, Black Prince Road, London by Michael Grubb Studio.
The next 5 projects in Spaces high budget. The winner is the Lava Tunnel by EFLA.
Well done, EFLA.
Now, the art category.
In first place, we have Aperture by Visual Energy.
So now we're going to look at the next category, which is art high budget.
Back out in the snow to the only all-night grocery when what to my wondering eyes should appear in the line as that guy.
And in first place, it's Scalar by White Void.
You forgot cranberries too, then suddenly we laughed and laughed.
Next, we've got the category of event.
Magic's brought this tale to a very happy ending.
There were 2 votes between them. London came second, which means that Lumiere Durham is the winner.
Congratulations, Artichoke.
This slot concentrates on the winners for the kit category, first of all. And in at number 3, we have Coral Power Pedestal by Key Half 4.
Now, Bricklight is by Simez is number 2. Amazingly, only 2 votes between second and first place.
And in first place, we have 3D LED Flex 100 IP66 by Radiant Architectural Lighting.
Well done, David.
Now we are going to see who has won the interior kit category. At number 3, it's 8-0 by Creon.
At number 2, we have Centura by Radiant Architectural Lighting again.
Nearly, David.
In first place, and the winner is Atto by Precision Lighting.
Well done, Precision. Come forward to get your award. I'm
We're
queuing
now
you in.
going to reveal the winner of the technology category. That's better. In third place, Pure CRI 99 by Atia Lighting.
In second, Dynamic Beam Shaping by Lens Vector.
But the winner in the product technology category is Bluetooth lighting controls by Staccato. Are you ready to find out who the winner is of the best light installation of the night? That's what I needed to hear. The winner, as voted for by you tonight with chocolate coins, is 18 Degrees and Delta Light for their carousel.
I just want to say that the winner of this year's Best of the Best Dark Award has done exceptionally well because it's from the category that had way more entries than any other category. But still, Hints Hall Natural History Museum received more votes than any other project in the awards. So therefore, they win the 2018 Dark Award.
Congratulations, CHA Designs.
Thank you to everyone that entered and to all those that voted to make this such a special awards process. We appreciate the support you've shown by attending.
So have a great rest of Dark Night and happy Christmas. Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas, everybody. Happy Christmas. Good night.